Hi all, welcome to another video of Berg Performance, and today we have this beautiful looking BMW X3 M50i in the shop. This is a G45 generation. Actually, this is the first time that we have this vehicle in our shop because this is a brand new car. We did a OPF delete on this car and installed a valve controller to enhance the sound a little bit more. So for this car we have deleted the OPF from the mid-pipe. Well, actually, this box in my hand, one part consists of the OPF system and the other part is just the mid-silencer, which is placed in the mid-pipe of these vehicles. We have deleted this system with the beautiful piping that you can see here. So this is fully custom made for this car, which we will make for any kind of other vehicles as well. And as you can see, there are no OPF delete modules placed. That's because our solution contains of a software solution which works as OEM. So no delete modules, no fault codes, and as a bonus, also the flag, when you're attaching this car to BMW diagnostic software, the flag will not appear. So that will mean that the factory warranty will still be kept in place. So one more thing that we did is install a valve controller on this car. This car is already equipped OEM out of the factory with one valve, so not on both sides but on one side, which we can manage to trigger ourselves right now. So fully open, fully closed, OEM variable, or 50% open or closed, as you can hear now. Cool, huh? Let's see how it sounds.